Here we have Benelli BN125 on a 73 plate. This one's been in an accident. It's not going to be getting fixed. We're going to be stripping it. We're going to be breaking this one. We're going to be selling the parts online. So if you've got one of these bikes, you need some bits, I might have them. They're not already damaged. 6176 miles. Made a right mess. Right. Let's get the engine running, test that first. Right, so let's try and get it started. I think the reason why it's not on the neutral lights, is all these lights are not on here as well. I think it's because the battery's flat. So put the power pack on it. Yeah, that sounds better. Fuel pump's priming and all. Right, that's the lights on. Started up straight away. No way. It's got a full tank of juice as well. Not bad. Right, now we know it runs. We'll get it stripped. Get it stripped down and start selling them parts. Right, about 50 minutes and this is what we're up to. Can't see it. That's down there. Some down there as well. Let's carry on. Right, this is where we're up to. Trying to get the wiring loom out, but it's too thick to go through there, so I'm gonna have to wait till I've got the airbox out. But to get the airbox out, I've got to take the rear shock off, but obviously I don't want to be taking the rear shock off just yet either. So I'm going to cut the chain, remove that rear wheel. I suppose I can take the swing arm off and I can get the rest of it off afterwards, because obviously the actual main stand is on the frame, so I suppose I can still take all the back end off before I drop the engine. I've got to get the exhaust off. I don't want to be snapping them exhaust stead also, because I want to be able to sell this engine as a good one. We've done 6,000 miles. It runs. I did warm it all the way up as well, and it had no issues at all. So yeah, just want to get this exhaust off as well. Oh, let's get this chain on it off first. Right, it's the exhaust, came off okay. No broken studs, no nothing. So now all we've got to do is drop that engine. Take the front forks off with the wheel and the yoke. Rear master cylinder. And that's it. Side stand. Might take the main stand as well. On the back pegs. So yeah, that's it. I've already sold the rear shock. Donna's coming tomorrow and I'm going to fit it for her as well. So we can do that. If you need any bits for one of these bikes, I can also fit them for you as well. There you go. And that's the engine out. So not long left now. Not long left at all. Let's get the rest of it done. And that was that. It's all done. So, bottom yoke is twisted to death. The forks, I'm not going to chance them. So these are just going to get scrapped as well. You know, it's got a mark there on them. So I'm not going to risk it. Front wheel's gone. The buckle as well. The front wheel spindle, that was funny. Won't come out. Yeah. How bent that is. So yeah, I've got a good swing arm, good back wheel, good exhaust. The rest of the bits are all good. Wiring loom, rear shocker that I've already sold. All these bits here, really light caliper, front caliper, rear caliper, complete lock set with 2 keys, ECU, regular rectifier, throttle body, seats. There's some more bits down there as well. The coils, obviously, switch gears. I'm not too sure what that thing is. It looks like a CDI at first, but it doesn't have a CDI, it has an ECU. Li hub. Oh, hua, li hua. LIHUA. God knows, I'll have to Google them part numbers. I think they're on LED. Oh, it might have something to do with the headlight then. And the indicators, flash relay probably. Yeah, right, well I'll Google it, find out what it is, but yeah, that's it, all done.